In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the black screen issue on Windows 11. We all know how frustrating it can be when you're all set to get some work done or enjoy your PC, and suddenly the screen goes black. This issue can pop up at different times, maybe before you even log in, after you've logged in, or randomly while you're using your computer. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through a series of steps that should help bring your display back to life. First and foremost, let's check the basic connections. Sometimes the problem is as simple as a loose cable or an incorrectly configured monitor. If you have any external monitors connected, start by disconnecting them. The system can get confused about where it's supposed to display if there are multiple monitors hooked up. Once you've done that, it's time to cycle through the display modes available on your PC. To do this, you'll need to press the Windows key along with the letter P on your keyboard. This command brings up the projection screen options. Keep pressing P a few times, followed by Enter, to toggle through the modes such as PC screen only, duplicate, extend, and second screen only. See if this restores your display. Next, let's consider restarting the graphics driver. This is particularly helpful if you have a glimpse of hope, like a visible mouse pointer, but still see a black screen. For this, press the combination of Windows, Control, Shift, and B keys all at the same time. It's a special shortcut that forces the graphics driver to wake up, so to speak. As you do this, you might notice the screen flash briefly or hear a short beep. It's nothing to worry about. In fact, it's a sign that the command has been registered. So wait a few seconds to see if your display responds and comes back on. Now let's recap briefly. We started by ensuring all external monitors are disconnected and checked the display modes using Windows and P keys. This helps the system understand where it should be sending the display signal. Then, we used a nifty keyboard shortcut to restart the graphics driver, especially useful if the mouse pointer is visible, but your screen remains black. Sometimes a quick reset of the graphics driver is all it takes. Navigating these issues can seem daunting, but these steps offer a practical starting point to tackle the notorious black screen in Windows 11. Remember, it's not uncommon for these steps to need a moment or two to take effect, so be patient while your system processes these commands. If after these steps your screen remains unresponsive, it may be time to explore deeper troubleshooting options or consult with a professional. I hope you found this guide helpful and that your display comes back to life swiftly.